guys, welcome back to the channel. This is James OG Superfly Garage. As you can probably see, it is raining out here. We're back to our normal northwest weather, the rain. Well, I'm getting ready to take the Black Widow to the tint shop. It's a place called Alexis Tinting. I'm gonna take it there, drop it off. They're gonna keep it overnight. And what they're gonna do is they're going to strip off the old tint and put on limo tint on there, so it's going to give it that all blacked out look. And so I rented a trailer and I'm going to tow it over there because I'm not going to drive it in the rain, so I'm going to tow it over there in the rain, if you will. So anyway, so that's the plan, and that's what I'm up to right now. So I'll talk to you guys in a minute. Car is giving birth. Car is so low. It's crazy.
What?
Why do I feel stupid? That's why I feel stupid. Yes, people, I climbed out the hatch. Can you tell I'm not a trailer queen? Even jacked up my door. See? Jacked up my door a little bit. That sucks, but a little bit of temporary touch-up paint. I'm gonna get the car painted anyway. Because the plan is one day to replace the hood with a 2-inch cowl hood and take the front bumper off and put the stalker bumper on. That's the future plan. So. And I have a good friend in Vancouver, his name's Dan. He's got a little in his garage paint shop. So I'll give him a shot and we can paint this. Probably the entire car ourselves, so we'll see. But hey, live and learn. This is what you gotta do when you damage your car. I feel so crazy. All right, she's loaded up, she's strapped down. Now we're gonna head out to Alexis Tinting. We're going from Portland to Beaverton, so it's a few miles. So anyway, we'll catch up with you there.
The golden one will nip you.
All right. So we made it. We're at Alexis window tinting, and we're gonna do this the correct way this time. Here we go. Look at that. Now I have all the room in the world. Wow. Funny how that works, huh?
wash the engine.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, scary, right?
Yeah, it can be.
I bet.
Because Google said,
Most definitely.
and Google said cover the alternator and stuff.
Take a piece of plastic
Yeah.
and just kind of put over the alternator. If not, then just be careful.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Just Google said.
All right, we're back. Day 2. The car is ready. Gonna go pick it up at the window tint shop. You can see the trailer in the background. And I'm gonna be doing this myself today. I have no help, but it's a beautiful day. I think we'll be successful. So can't wait to reveal it. See you soon. All right, so we're here picking up the car from Alexa's window tinting. And I think they did a fabulous job. So the front windshield, you have to excuse the car. It's been raining here and the car is dirty. So here we are sitting out in the sun and we scan around here, except for the rear quarter windows. Those are gonna get replaced anyway. Now she's truly blacked out. Look at that. Wow. There it is. All right, gotta get it loaded up onto the trailer. Got it loaded up on the trailer, and we're gonna be heading home. So here's a look. Want to give a quick shout out to Jim Chambers of the Fox Chamber. Man, my brother, you just released a fantastic video on Fan Rides, a profile of the Black Widow, which is sitting behind me. I appreciate you so much, Jim. You do so much for this community. And your Fan Rides series, man, it really highlights everything that is good about this community. You know, every single episode is top notch and your delivery is right on time. So man, you're so much appreciated. Much love and respect to you, my brother. Seriously, I can't wait to meet you in person. All right, made it home. Got it unloaded off the trailer. Man, I really like that dark tint, bro. All the way around, you know what I mean? I like that a lot. I mean, look at that. That is dark. All the way around, it's just dark. But like I said, we're going to be replacing the quarter windows because the previous owner glued these quarter window covers on, the trim covers here. And I'm really afraid that if I pull that off, it's not gonna be good underneath. So I already have the new quarter windows. I took them in with the car. They're already tinted, so we should be good to go. So all I gotta do is pull these out and install the new ones. Over the winter time, plan on doing some other improvements and whatnot. And you guys will see those later, I guess. So anyway, I gotta put the rear view mirror on, probably in a couple days. There it is, the Black Widow. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. And if you're new to the channel, please hit that like and subscribe. So anyway, you guys have a great day and I will catch you guys next time. See ya.
Heard you think you're a professional driver and you came in crooked.
What's that?
Heard you think you're a professional driver and you came in crooked.
Well, someone was supposed to be guiding me.
I was. It's the crazy eye.
For this video, it's going to be in 2 parts, or maybe the videographer will put it into, you know, one video. I don't know.